What is going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. Today's video, guys, I'm going to go over my $100,000 swing trade I did with Tesla. So let's get started. Just a quick recap what I did with Tesla. So on the 21st, just before the market closed on Friday, I did buy 100 shares. I bought 90 shares at 951.45, and I bought 10 more shares at 950.89. I held this stock because as soon as Monday opened, the stock absolutely tanked. I was down about $10,000 within a few hours of the market opening. So not only did I have about $100,000 in this, about 45,000 of it was margins. So anything I lost was basically doubled. So I did started to do my swing trade. Once I got kind of a feel on how Tesla was moving, I did end up selling on the 25th, 50 shares at 944.29. And then I did buy back 40 shares at 937.45 and then 938.66. Reason when you see me buying back this way, Robinhood has kind of a 5% limit on what you can buy that you have to kind of hold in your account. So that's why if you see it's this staggered, I usually would just buy 50 shares, but I had to make me buy it this way. I'm not going to go over every single buy and sell, but if you look at today, I did sell 50 shares at 955, and then I sold 25 more shares at 980, and then the stock absolutely started to tank. So I bought 75 more shares at 920, and then if you look here, when they came out with the news, I sold 50 shares overall, so I had 50 shares left. So as soon as it tanked at 887.94, Tesla was sitting around 955 at that time when I sold just before they did their earnings. It went all the way down to 887. So I bought a little more, and then I ended up selling some at 917, 905. I bought some more. And then at the end, I am just selling everything for about 930, just closing it out because I didn't want to wait too long. I already made my goal that I was kind of sitting at. So let's show you my portfolio here. So if you look for the week, that's about when I bought Tesla right here. And as soon as I bought Tesla, it went downhill. So you see I started at 50,254 and it just went downhill. The first day, like I said, I was down about $10,000. So $9,932. And like I said, that's about $45,000 with margin. So today was obviously a great day. So I was up about $5,300 for the day, and then up another $2,200 for after hours. So I was as high as 55. So I didn't want to be too greedy. So I was like, I just took my winnings and walked away. I wanted to make about $5,000 minimum, but since I was down $10,000 on the first day, I basically was just saying anything in profit I would be happy with being down that much. But like I said, then I set my goal to $5,000, but originally I wanted $5,000 to $10,000 with this swing trade here. But overall, I ended up making about 4,500 bucks, which I am very happy with. I usually just sell covered calls, but with Tesla, with the earnings, they usually have some type of crazy volatility going up. And usually you can get some decent trades on there. So I definitely could have lost a lot of money because if you look at the stock price now, it's at 935 and my average cost was at 951. So actually the end of this week, I'm actually probably going to sell a couple covered calls. The two that I'm looking at is Riot. If you look at Riot here, I have about $55,000 to play with. So I would sell a put on Riot expiring January 28th. I would pick a very safe, so I'm going to be very safe with my plays now. Like I said, on my bigger account, I'm up about 4,500, and I'll actually on my small account, my $10,000 account, I'm up about 4,000 on that one. So I'm a little bit over $8,000 for the year so far, especially with the market that we're in. But I was looking to pick a 12 or 1250 range. I can get about 40 to 45 contracts. Of course, this will go down tomorrow unless Riot tanks down to low 14s. But I think I can get at least $5 to $10 out of this, and then trading that, I can make a good $300 to $400 selling Riot. puts. The second one I had my eye on was NEO. I actually was trying to buy NEO just before it closed, but that didn't work out. I just missed it by literally a minute. But if you look at NEO here and trade NEO, I don't think NEO is going to go below $20 for the most part, and I actually think they're going to turn around. I don't think they're going to even go below 22. So if I did do a covered call, I probably would actually be a little more risky here and pick a 22 or a $21 strike price with this one, and I can get about 25, 26 contracts for this. So depending on how they open, these are my two choices that I'm probably going to be selling puts on. But like I said, with Tesla, I'm absolutely happy with Tesla, making about almost $4,500 with Tesla in just a couple days, and already hit my goal for this month of trade. So each month I try to get at least $25,000 to $5,000. So by the end of this month, I do plan, or in this week, I do plan on hitting that $5,000 mark. So if you guys have been trading with Tesla today, let me know what you guys did, how you guys ended up, or any of the stocks that you guys made money on or lost. Let me know in the comments. Please definitely hit the like and subscribe. I'll have my weekly video coming out on Friday. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.